Alright, it's not perfect yet, but I've begun implementing the actual spells. So yeah, that's a little fireball right there. So it's facing the wrong direction from the sides. Oh, no, that was right. So on the right side, see, that one was backwards, but if you go around to the left, that one's going forward. I'll figure that out, that'll be fine, but yeah, from the front and back, it's a sphere. So yeah, you hold it for longer, it's actually a larger projectile, and it goes faster. But if you just tap it, it's a tiny one, or a big one. Yeah, or a big one that's fast, or a tiny one that's slow. Like you charge a tiny bit of mana, and you just create a little spark that just kind of limply... But of course, if you charge my magical energy, you can throw it very far. This is just really cool stuff because they've all got charge and fire events. This is the one we were just looking at. So when it fires, no wait, when it charges, it starts calculating the time between the start of the charge and the finish, and then it uses that. There's a max charge time, so that spell can be held for 5 seconds. So if you hold it for 4 seconds, that's like 80%. So it converts that number to 0.8, and then it uses a lerp basically. So 0.8 equals 80%. So then it's 80% of the way between B and A. This is where we define like a maximum value and a minimum value. If it's 100, if we charge it for the max time, we get a B value. We get B's value 100%. We get 1. Otherwise, if we charge it for like no seconds, we get A, which is 0.1. And then it takes that value and it changes the scale based on that value. And so we can edit these numbers and change like the speed spells come out, change how fast and how big they are, how much damage they do. We can do all sorts of other stuff tied to the amount of time that it was charged for. So we can have spells that are variable in gameplay. So I just tried to edit it right then. And I think if I just edit that lerp over there, we can get a much bigger fireball. Let me try 3 for maximum scale. So that's minimum, and this is maximum. Oh, that's much bigger, see? Look at that. Whoa. So yeah, no, I mean, but the possibilities are endless. And then, yeah, our wizard hasn't changed. He's still kicking around boxes. But yeah, that's what we got. That's what we got. Next I'm gonna... Ooh, oh, damn, that's some lag. Okay, next I'm gonna add different spells, so more than just Fireball. We're gonna add like a water spell, wind spell, lightning spells. Then once I have at least 4, I'll work on making the menu where players can select which ones they enter the game with. So yeah.